The other thing that he wanted to do, and was kind of annoying, was he said, is there any way that we can get a system where we can control it on our phone and have it turn on the heat before we come up? Because we like to turn the heat down to about 15 degrees Celsius, but we want it warm and comfortable when we get there. Now, they can do that with the baseboard heat once they arrive, but they've got about an hour where it's not that comfortable. They also turn on the gas fireplace, but that takes a while to warm up as well. So I told them that one of the products that we have, that's one of the special items, is you have an app on your phone and you can just control the ductless mini split zones from your phone. You can set it when you leave your main property, and by the time you arrive 2.5 hours later, your place will be just as comfortable as if you'd been living there already.